Very good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, Vardhan, close your eyes, beta. Nobody will open their eyes.
He lifted the heavy box with a grunt.
Okay. Now next word is crooked. CROOKED, crooked.
Not straight, bent.
Yes, sentence.
He crooked his arm.
Okay, very good, very good. Now question answers. Why could Uncle Podger not find his handkerchief?
Uncle Podger could not find his handkerchief as it was in his coat pocket. He taken off his coat and forgotten where he had kept the coat when all the while he was sitting on his coat.
Very good, very good. Now last determiners, okay? Dash people still believe that development is modernization.
Ma'am, many.
Fantabulous, Vardhan, fantabulous. Okay. Open your eyes. Riddhima.
Thank
Riddhima.
you, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Riddhima. Riddhima not audible, beta. Riddhima. I will take your turn. Yes,
Yes,
Riddhima.
ma'am.
Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Riddhima.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Riddhima. Okay. Determiner for you. Okay. She waited. Listen, nobody will unmute themselves. She waited for dash minutes and then she went back home. She waited. Very good. Next, dash. He is dash MP.
Ma'am, and.
Very good. Now next question. What was Uncle Podger trying to do?
A picture had come from the frame maker and it was waiting to be put on the wall.
Okay, very good. Next is mess. M-E-S-S. Word meaning that is mess.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, mess. M-E-S-S.
Mess.
Yes, beta, mess. What does it mean? Mess.
Mess.
Yes, Riddhima, mess word is there.
Ma'am, state of confusion.
Okay, sentence. Sentence.
Ma'am, sentence. There
Yes.
was the question.
There was?
Mess in the question.
There was mess in the question. Okay. Now, yes, Nivedita Jaggi. Nivedita Jaggi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nivedita, what is the meaning of hinder? Nivedita, unmute yourself. Network issues there. Nivedita, I will take your turn later on. Suryansh Rana. Suryansh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Yes, Suryansh. What is the meaning of hinder?
Ma'am, delight.
Beta, it is not delay, it is delay. Delay, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, better do fast. Delay, okay? Now frame his sentence.
He is hindering me in my work.
Okay, next word is crooked. C-R-O-O-K-E-D, crooked.
Ma'am, I
Suryansh?
don't know.
Okay. Beta, you have not learned? Okay, and now, why did the whole house start working? Question answer. Why did the whole house start working?
To
Hmm?
complete the Uncle
Wait a
Fogger task.
minute. Suryansh, wait a minute. First of all, see your pronunciation. How you are saying complete. ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. Complete. छोटा, don't stretch the word. Okay. Now start once again. Complete नहीं करना है. Only complete.
Complete to complete Uncle Fogger task. Whole house started working.
Okay, last. Determiners. Dash teacher prefers a class that is balanced with students of the same level.
Ma'am, all.
It can't be all. Teachers is not written. It is teacher. अगर teachers होता, dash teachers prefer a class and all आना था. Okay, your answer is incorrect.
Ma'am,
Suryansh, open your eyes, beta. Yes, after Suryansh, Akshara 1568. Akshara 1568. And nobody will say, ma'am, मेरे marks ऐसे क्यों है, मेरे marks ऐसे क्यों? Nobody will say, okay? मैं marks जो दे रही हूँ, I am asking 4 questions and each question is carrying 2 marks, okay? Like this, देखो मैंने कैसे आपको marks दिए, तो आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मैम आपने हमें marks ऐसे कैसे दे दिए हैं, okay? Wait a minute, अब देखो मैंने ऐसे marks दे रही हूँ मैं आपको, ये देखो, तुम ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मैम ये हिमानी ने जो क्वेश्चन गलत था, इस क्वेश्चन में इसने मुझे ठीक आंसर नहीं दिया. It was inappropriate. Priya, then Avisha, then Vardhan, Nivedita Jaggi, network issue was there. Suryansh, one question he has not given the answer, and Akshay turn is going on. Okay, तो मैंने ऐसे करके आपके ऐड करके मार्क्स लगा रही हूँ, तो आप ये नहीं बोलोगे कि मैम मेरे मार्क्स ऐसे क्यों आए. अक्षरा 1568.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, बेटा. Determiner.
Yes, ma'am.
We have, yes. Okay, indefinite article. I have a dash flute and dash guitar. I have dash flute and dash guitar.
Ma'am, I have a flute and a guitar.
Okay. Then determiner. We have to work fast as there is dash time left to finish the project.
Ma'am, little.
Okay. Now question. How many people lived in Uncle Podger's house?
Ma'am, 6.
Tell their names also.
Ma'am, Uncle Podger
Hmm.
and
Jaldi jaldi. Hmm.
Ma'am, Uncle Podger and Jim.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uncle
Okay.
Podger.
Word meaning. Come to word meaning. Sneer. S-N-E-E-R. Sneer.
Ma'am, sneer, laugh.
Okay. Sentence.
I will glad answer with sneer that almost. Sneer.
That almost.
Ma'am, that almost.
Hmm.
Almost great.
Okay. Arushi 1566. Arushi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Arushi, close your eyes. First word, hinder.
Yes, ma'am.
Hinder.
Obstruct.
Sorry. Obstruct.
Obstruct.
Beta. Obstruct. Obstruct. Obstruct.
Or
Okay. Sentence.
don't hinder.
Arushi, don't see from your book and copy. Listen this thing. Book and copy से नहीं देखना है.
My
My marks I will deduct. Okay, आप बुक फर्स्ट आप eyes you will not open your eyes और नीचे नहीं देखोगे आप, सामने देखो.
Don't
Hmm.
hinder,
Hmm. Don't
hinder
hinder.
my work. My work.
Don't hinder me in my work. Okay, don't hinder in my work. Okay. What was Uncle Podger trying to do?
Uncle Podger was trying to hang the frame picture. A picture had come on frame maker.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
And it was waiting.
Mm-hmm.
And
And
it was waiting on the wall.
Hmm. And it was waiting
to put on the wall.
Okay. And when was the picture finally put up on the wall? Put on the wall?
Yes, ma'am.
When was the picture finally put on the wall?
Then the picture of the wall.
Repeat a page, ye turn tune mat karo.
No.
Voice is coming.
I don't know. Ma'am, I don't know.
Beta. Okay. Now determiner. Okay. Indefinite article. Okay. Dash eagle's beak is shaped like dash hook. Dash eagle's. Beta indefinite article. Dash eagle's beak is shaped like dash hook. अगर आप किसी को अगर आप चीटिंग कर रहे हो तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. लिसन दिस थिंग. अगर आप सोचो कि हम चीटिंग कर रहे हैं, मैम को बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं, तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. ये तुम्हें इंश्योर करना है. यू शुड नॉट डू चीटिंग. तुम्हें मुश्किल होगी जब तुम व्हेन यू विल कम टू स्कूल, तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम होगी, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. अब तुम्हें हम बोल रहे हैं आईज क्लोज करो, और क्या बोल सकते हैं? आईज क्लोज करने को बोल सकते हैं. आईज क्लोज करो, मत देखो नीचे. एटलीस्ट यू शुड स्पीक ना. आरुषि, बताओ बेटा. टेल इट्स आंसर. यस, टेल इट्स आंसर.
I don't know.
ओके बेटा, लर्न करना है. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
आरुषि. नाउ दिस अवंतिका चौधरी.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, अवंतिका फास्ट करना है. क्लोज योर आईज. Close your eyes. Determiner. Okay. She was wearing a bracelet on dash wrist. She was wearing a. Yes. Okay. भी हो सकता है, but in your this book in question number 4 in options is not there. Okay, otherwise is also correct. So but I will deduct mark. Okay. The Amazon in Brazil is the longest river in South America.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Be attentive in the class, beta. I have to take turns of other students also. The Amazon in Brazil is dash longest river in South America. कैसे इसमें why you are using rivers, mountains, newspapers, इन सब के साथ we use the definite article use होता है. For rivers, for mountains, for Bhagavad Gita and epics we have to use the. Okay, this is also wrong. When was the picture finally put on the wall?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Beta, it means you have not learned. क्यों नहीं learn किया? क्यों लर्न नहीं किया? क्या किया? अब सभी टेस्ट का तुमने ऐसे. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कमोशन. वर्ड मीनिंग कमोशन.
Commotion.
कमोशन. अवंतिका. यस, कमोशन बेटा. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, फर्स्ट वर्ड. यू डोंट नो. Avantika, you have scored 0 marks, okay? And I will post your marks to this notice board. 0 marks है तुम्हारा. क्या किया आपने? क्यों नहीं learn किया?
मेरे को पता नहीं था कि आज टेस्ट भी है।
तो बेटे तो इसमें रोने की कोई बात नहीं है, प्लीज डोंट वीप, इसमें रोने की कोई बात नहीं है, ठीक है। आपको मारनी पड़ी है, मार पड़ी आपको, इसमें रोने की कोई बात नहीं। आपको क्यों नहीं पता था? नोटिस बोर्ड में डाला था फ्राइडे को, आई हैव पुट, देन सैटरडे को आपको डाला हुआ था, 2 दिन आपको डाला था नोटिस बोर्ड में। आपने देखा नोटिस बोर्ड? देखा? अवंतिका देखा था आपने?
यस मैम।
अवंतिका तो बेटा तो इसमें रोने की क्या बात है, ये बताओ। रोना नहीं है, ठीक है ठीक है। आज आपकी 0 नहीं करती हूँ, मैं नहीं डालूंगी नोटिस बोर्ड में, लेकिन परसों टेस्ट होगा तो उसको लर्न कर लोगे परसों का टेस्ट। टुमारो वी विल रिवाइज आवर चैप्टर नंबर 2 एंड डे आफ्टर टुमारो आई विल टेक टेस्ट ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 2। अभी बता दिया, ठीक है। कल हम लेसन 2 रिवाइज करेंगे, डे आफ्टर टुमारो आई विल टेक टेस्ट ऑफ लेसन नंबर 2। तो तुम कर लोगे याद? अवंतिका कहाँ चली गई अब ये? अवंतिका?
यस मैम।
अवंतिका वेयर आर यू? तो ओके अवंतिका फिर लर्न कर लेना, रोने की कोई बात नहीं है। तो तुम्हें डांटनी पड़ी इतनी, मारनी पड़ी, तो फिर क्यों रोना? ठीक है, बाकी बच्चों के भी ऐसे मार्क्स है, 4 मार्क्स हैं तुम्हारे, उनसे 4 नंबर कम थे, 0 था और क्या था ना? तो ऐसे रोना नहीं है, परसों का टेस्ट फिर तुमने लर्न करना। ओके अवंतिका, समझ गए आप? ठीक है, रोना नहीं है। वाइप योर टीयर्स करो साफ, अपना मुंह साफ करो, मुंह धोकर आओ, ठीक है। फर्स्ट इसमें रो पड़े, आगे इतनी ज्यादा क्लासेस है तो क्या करोगे, रोते रहोगे? ठीक है, आज 0 मार्क्स है, कोई बात नहीं, आई विल नॉट पोस्ट। और परसों तुम्हारे 8 आउट ऑफ 8 चाहिए। ओके गॉट इट अवंतिका? Okay. Nivedita checking now, and network issue is there or not? Am I audible to you, Nivedita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nivedita, yes, Nivedita. Okay, Avantika Chaudhary. Avantika, चलो एक स्माइल कर दो, अब स्माइल कर दो थोड़ी सी, और थोड़ी सी, टीथ दिखने चाहिए, टीथ शुड बी विजिबल। और करो, दांत नहीं दिख रहे अभी, और टीथ नहीं दिख रहे हैं। ओके, तो परसों लर्न करना। ओके हाँ बस ठीक है। ओके बेटा। निवेदिता?
Yes, ma'am.
Nivedita, your word for you is smash.
Ma'am, laughing.
Smash means laughing. Very good, Nivedita. Mess. MESS, mess.
Ma'am, mess.
Don't open your eyes. Yes, mess.
Ma'am, I don't know.
I don't know. Very good. I don't know. First wrong, second you don't know, and come to question answer. What happened every time Uncle Podger took up a job?
They used to be a commotion in house every time Uncle Podger took up on a job.
Okay, now determinant. We have to work fast as there is dash time left to finish the project.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Okay, we have to work fast as there is dash time left to finish the project.
Ma'am,
We have.
ma'am, and
No, beta, Nivedita, it means you have not learned. 2 marks. Hai. Nivedita. Okay. Open your eyes. Ritesh Chaudhary. Yes, Ritesh. Whose mic is on? Ritesh?
Abhilab Gupta mic is on.
Abhilab Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Abhilab, determiner. I drink dash glass of milk every day.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Okay. I drink dash glass of milk every day. Suryansh,
Some.
don't send message. Sorry?
Ma'am, some. Ma'am, some.
Okay, okay. Melina has dash friends. Melina has dash friends.
More. Ma'am, more.
Wrong है आपके दोनों answers. How many people lived in Uncle Podger's house?
6.
Okay, what are their names?
Jim, Will, Tom, Uncle Podger, Aunt Podger, and girl.
बेटा it is correct, but will, Tom, ऐसे कैसे बोल रहे हो आप? Tom, why this is coming? Tom, Will, Jim, say like this, okay? ऐसे नहीं, you will not say Tom, Will, Jim, क्यों आ रहा है ये? Okay? Should not be there. Short कर दो. Tom, Will, Jim, ऐसा बोलना. Now next word is commotion. What is the meaning of commotion?
Noisy disturbance. Noisy disturbance.
Okay,
There
sentence.
is very commotion in your house. There is very commotion in your house.
Okay, Naman Chaudhary. Naman Chaudhary. Naman. Naman Chaudhary. Okay, Oppo 176 GB. What is your name, beta? Rename yourself. ये Oppo क्या नाम है आपका?
मैम क्लासरूम लाइव में क्लास में मैम बार बार क्लास मेरी कट जा रही थी तो मैम मैंने ऐसे ज्वाइन की। मैम मेरा
Okay,
नाम
and-
कृतिका है।
Kritika? अच्छा, you are Kritika. Okay, Kritika. Kritika, close your eyes. Kritika, what is the meaning of grunt? G-R-U-N-T, grunt.
मैम आई डोंट नो।
पेपर में क्या करोगे? कैसे करोगे तुम एक दिन में लर्न? हम you are not able to learn one chapter, then how you will learn the whole syllabus? Why did the whole house start working?
In order
Hmm.
Uncle Podger
In order what? In order what?
in order to complete
Hmm. In order to complete? In order to complete what? And please fix your camera.
this task
बेटा मुझे समझ नहीं आता. 4 months have been passed and you don't know how to pronounce. In order, ये मैंने कितनी बार बोला, ढंग से बोला करो. Pronunciation should be correct. In order to complete, तुम कैसे बोलते? In order to complete, ये क्या है ये? Now listen. The hospital bought dash X-ray machine for the patients. The hospital bought dash. The hospital bought dash X-ray machine for the patients.
मैम and
Okay. Next is In this town, dash street has a bakery shop. In this town, better be attentive. In this town, dash street has a bakery shop.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, very.
Very nahi beta. Every answer was every. Okay, Shivanshi. Close your eyes, Shivanshi. There isn't dash coffee. Shivanshi, close your eyes. She waited for dash minutes and then she went back home. Shivanshi. Shivanshi. Shivanshi, unmute yourself. Unmute.
Ma'am,
Yes.
speak again.
Close your eyes. She was wearing a bracelet on dash wrist. सामने देखो.
Each.
Look straight. Look straight, beta. Dash teacher prefers a class that is balanced with students of the same level.
Every.
List the tasks assigned by Uncle Podger to different people.
One girl.
One girl. One girl. Ishika. Sorry, Shivanshi. One girl, beta, what? Okay, next word is gravel. G-R-O-V-E-L, gravel. What is the meaning of gravel? Shivanshi? Shivanshi,
Yes,
what should I consider? Network issues there or you don't know the answer?
मैम आपने हाफ वर्ड मीनिंग नहीं करवाए हैं हमें.
Word meaning नहीं करवाए हैं. Word meaning तो बेटा we have done and I have checked your copies also.
मैम आपने हाफ नहीं करवाए हैं.
बेटा half नहीं करवाए हैं but I think ये word मैंने करवाया because I have ticked it in my copy. ये मैंने करवाया और मैंने अपनी कॉपी में I have tick मैंने टिक किया हुआ है इसको. इशिका कौंडल बेटा जो आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उसकी कॉपीज मंगवाओ उसकी कॉपी एंड सी व्हाट वी हैव डन. ओके इशिका कौंडल.
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा स्मैश व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्मैश?
Yes, ma'am.
मत करो बुक चेंज. स्मैश. Ishika, time is lapsed, okay? Time is not there. Now, students, listen this thing. Whose turn has not come? Okay, in this class, I will try to take the better.